This is a short tutorial on how to submit a multi-item ticket request. Please be sure to use a descriptive project name so we can tell at a glance what your marketing project is for. Next, select the project type. If you need one item, select it here. If you have more than one need, select more than one type of project. In order to deliver on time for all requesters and project needs, we ask that you only select what you need, rather than checking all the boxes just in case. We will accommodate what we can and reach out if we have questions. Next, add your due date and descriptive information we'll need to fulfill your request. Please note, if you submit images to assist with a print request, including a press release, the images must be large enough to print, usually between 500 kilobytes and 2 megabytes. Please attach those as separate images. We do not accept images embedded in Word documents, as the quality is not high enough for us to export them and send them to the newspapers for print. This ticketing system does accept multiple images, and it does not have a 2 megabyte limit, but we do ask that you try to keep your total submission under 6 megabytes. After you submit your form, you can click on the link beneath the thank you message that appears on screen to view your submission. You will also get an email confirmation that your project has been received. When your project is assigned to a designer, you will receive another email from the designer that is tied to your request. Save this email, as this is the email you will reply to add comments or ask questions about your project until you receive any further communications from the designer. As always, the marketing team is here to provide you with quality materials to help you achieve your goals. Please email any questions you have about the new ticketing system to caroline.carlson@baycollege.edu.